Hello, everybody. This is Mel the Money Coach. Thank you so much for tuning in to another episode on my channel called Mel the Money Coach. We are talking about all things related to investments here in the last couple of videos. Now I'm doing a short series on a super hot topic called cryptocurrency. So yes, you probably have all heard rumblings about this among your coworkers. I know I sure have. Lots of discussion about, oh my gosh, I just made $10,000. Oh my gosh, I just lost $10,000. Oh my God, all these different buzzwords about different types of crypto, how it's going up and down, all these different things. We talked about in the last video that, the difference with crypto is it's worth whatever the market says it's worth. There is no monetary value that's stable, if you will, like the American dollar or like a euro or these other currencies that you use to purchase items. So I'm talking today about crypto as an investment. Now, what does that mean? And should you invest? Should you not invest? So the problem with crypto as an investment is that there's a lot of unknowns because it is so new to the market. It is very much unknown with the rates of return. It's an unstable investment. If you look at, some of the graphs, like with the values of crypto, you can, if you narrow your focus in on like day to day, you can see it go up and down and up and down and up and down, steeply up, sharply down, steeply up, shortly down. So it's not like a continuous, stable growth, if you will. So I think that's part of the problem when it comes to investing in crypto. It's very much unknown in comparison to growth stock mutual funds, who are comprised of hundreds of different companies over and across the board. When you're looking at a growth stock mutual fund, the difference between that and a single stock is that it is stable. You can see the rate of return for the last 40, 50 years, depending on how long that fund has been in existence. So it's very much stable, dependable growth. Now, when you're looking at investing in something like crypto, I would give you this advice. And this is advice that has helped millions and millions of people that follow the baby steps, get out of debt, build an emergency fund, and build wealth, especially the everyday millionaire folks. It's, stable, steady growth. As long as you are out of debt, you have an emergency fund, you're saving 15% into retirement, you're saving for kids' college if you choose to, you are paying off your home early, you're paying cash for your vehicles, cash for different purchases using sinking funds. If then you want to invest some money in crypto because you're interested and you think it's fun and, it's a hobby, sure, that's totally fine. As long as that income that you drop into crypto is expendable and you could lose it. Because it's essentially like, gambling, if you will. You're taking a chance that money you're putting in is going to be worth something. And I don't know about you, but I don't want to be up all night or up all day if you work night shift, going, oh my gosh, what's the market doing? What's the market doing? Oh my gosh, am I going to lose money? There's enough stress in the world right now, and especially in healthcare. I don't need to be on the edge of my seat wondering if I'm going to lose my life savings in the crypto market. So that's the advice I would have for you. So if you are well set financially, you can afford to take the loss, and you're interested and curious, and you have the time to commit to watching the market and watching it go up and down and all these different things, then sure, give it a try, read about it, learn about it. And if it's something you want to experiment with, totally fine. But do not bank your entire retirement or your future or your emergency fund or your home pay down or, your anything like that into crypto, because there's too many unknowns to really say confidently that it's a stable investment and it's, a long-term investment. So that's what I've got for you guys today. I'll see you next time.